This
voice.
conference will now be recorded.
So in today's session, we are going to discuss about email templates, and we will see what exactly email templates and what is the use. Why should we go for email templates in Salesforce, and where we can use these email templates, and upon preparing these email templates, what is the navigation we used to follow, and how can we create the email template to send the email notification, how to send email notification to the required people with the required subject and the content. We'll see with practical, and how to send the email notifications manually, how to make it automated. We'll see practically here. Now, so today we'll see the concept of manual mechanism. In the next session, we'll see automation. Like upon creating a record, how to send the email notifications. We'll see practically as well. Now let's see. So first of all, we have to understand what exactly an email template and what is the use, and why should we go for email templates in Salesforce, and how to prepare email template with the required subject and the content. We'll see. Come to a small scenario. For example, assume that I have a bank account. For example, I have a bank account. So in my bank account, I'm having some 10,000 rupees as a balance. I have 10,000 rupees as a balance. Now, today I have deposited 5,000 rupees more. I went to the bank branch, or I went to a CDM machine, a cash deposit machine. I'm depositing 5,000 rupees in my account. So now tell me what will be the balance here once my transaction is done? What will be the balance amount? 15,000. So my record will be getting updated. Inside my record, whatever the balance value that we have, so whatever the balance value that we have, this balance value will be getting updated as 15,000 rupees. So the balance value will be getting updated here automatically by default. So now once the balance has been getting updated, how will you get the notification? How do you know whether amount has been credited into your account or not? How do we know that? We are getting some alerts because it's a rule of RBI that whenever a customer is performing any transaction, it may be deposit, it may be withdrawal, customer should be get notified. Suppose, for example, if the customer is not getting any notification, then how he will be aware of who is doing the transaction? Maybe some unauthorized people might have hacked your details also. They might have collected your username and the password of your online banking. Through that online banking, they can do some transactions also. They can misutilize your account also. They can do some fraudulent transactions. In that case, if you're not getting any notification, then how do we aware of, okay, who is doing the transaction on behalf of me? In this case here, to avoid this kind of problems, to avoid this kind of fraudulent transactions, as part of the banking system, they have introduced, okay, notification alerts. It's a rule of RBI. They have introduced a rule to all the banks available in India. Whenever a customer is performing any transaction, customer should get notified through an SMS notification and an email alert. Suppose, for example, assume that I'm in my home. Assume that I'm in my home. So I'm watching some movie in my home. I'm having my debit card with me. I'm having my mobile with me. But just now, I got a message to my mobile. Okay, just now, dear customer, your account has been debited with some 5,000 rupees. This is your available balance. That means what? Somebody is misutilizing my account details. Somebody has withdrawn 5,000 rupees from my account. That means I'm losing some money. So in that case, if we are getting this kind of notification, then we will be getting alerted. Immediately we can make a call to the customer care and we can block the account so that other people can't perform any transactions with my account. So that we can save the money. We can protect our account from the unauthorized people and from the fraudulent transactions. In this case here, as part of these banking systems, they're sending some notification alerts. They're sending one email alert, they're sending one SMS alert also. So, in order to send the notifications to the customers, they're using the help of email alerts. Now, for example, assume that today I'm reserving a movie ticket. Today I'm reserving a movie ticket here. So once the ticket has been confirmed, then how do you know ticket has been reserved for you? Again, notification. We are getting one email alert, we are getting one SMS alert. So now it is indicating, dear customer, your ticket has been confirmed from for so and so show, okay, for so and so time over here. This is the theater name, this is the show timings over here, and this is the location also, this is the seat number, all these things. So we are getting complete details as well. Like for example, today a customer has raised a case because he is facing some problem with our product. He make a call to the customer care, he has raised a complaint. So now here in this kind of situation, once the case has been getting registered, then we have to send some notification to the customer. Dear customer, your case has been registered successfully. This is your case number. This is the case status. One of our service person will contact you shortly. So that we need to send one SMS alert. We have to send one email. Now, for example, assume that today we have few employees' birthday. Today we have few employees' birthday. So on the occasion of the birthday, I would like to send one greeting card. I want to send some wishes. So in that case, what we can do? Do I need to make a phone call to each and every person? No. I have some millions of customers are available. Might be some hundreds of customers are celebrating their birthday today. So in that case, we can't make a call to each and every customer manually. So I would like to send one SMS notification or email alert. For example, assume that today is a new year, for example. On the occasion of the new year, I want to send some wishes to all my customers, my partners, my employees, my end users, to all the people. I would like to send some wishes on the occasion of a new year or on the occasion of a festival season. Then what can I do? I have some millions of customers are available. In that case, you want me to make a call to each and every person to give some wishes? No. So it will be very difficult. For that one, we can go with the help of an email alert or we can send one SMS notification also. That means what? In so many cases, we are communicating with the people with the help of some email notifications. Because if I'm having only some 10 people to whom you would like to interact, then we can make a phone call to each and every person one by one, one by one, one by one. Because the number of people are very less. We can spend some 1 hour of time or 2 hours of time max, and we can make a phone call to all the people. We can give the required information, whatever you want. But if the number of customers are more, if the number of employees are more, if the number of people are more to whom you want to interact, in that case, we can go with the help of an email alert or SMS alerts. So in this case, in order to communicate with the people, we are using the help of some email notifications. We are using the help of email notifications in order to communicate with the people to convey the required information. So, if you want to send some email notification to the people with the required subject and the content, then what subject you want to deliver, what content you want to deliver, we have to prepare it first. Because on the spot, I can't type that email subject and content for every person. I want to prepare the subject and the content okay, inside a template. I want to prepare a draft. The draft is nothing but a template which contains the email subject and the email content which I want to deliver to the required people. So in this case, if you want to prepare a template with the required subject and the content to be get delivered, then we are using the help of a feature called as email templates. So email template is nothing but a draft. Okay, it's a draft or a pre-existing email subject and the content which you want to deliver to the required people depends upon the occasion. It may be on the occasion of birthday, a different subject and content. On the occasion of depositing the money or withdrawing the money, different subject, different content. On the occasion of New Year, a different subject and the content. On the occasion of raising a case, different subject and content. That means what? Different subjects and different contents we need to prepare, so that we need to prepare multiple email templates also. So, as part of email template is nothing but a draft or a template which contains a pre-built email subject and the content which can be delivered to the required people based on the need. So in that case, what subject you want to deliver, what content you want to deliver, we need to specify inside that. To whom you want to deliver, that we can decide later here. That we need to make it as automated. To whom you want to deliver, that we can decide later. But first of all, we have to prepare the subject and content first, which you would like to deliver. Now, in this case, when you go to the other programming languages, if you want to send some email notifications to the people, first of all, we have to configure email servers. We have to configure email server. As part of this email servers, we have to configure SMTP server first. We have to configure SMTP server. Simple mail transmission protocol. Simple mail transmission protocol. So we have to configure SMTP server inside your organization's server. Then only this SMTP server can send the emails. It can receive the emails also. Without this SMTP server, we can't send the emails. We can't receive the emails. So when you go to Java or .NET or Oracle or SAP or any technology, we have to configure SMTP server inside your local system first in order to send to receive the emails. But in Salesforce, we no need to configure any SMTP servers. Email servers are ready-madely configured for you. Email servers are already configured by Salesforce for you. Just your task is we have to specify the subject and the content. We can specify the people to whom you want to deliver. That's it. Just you can use it. You no need to configure anything. You no need to install anything in our local system. You no need to enable or disable any settings in our local system in order to send and to receive the emails. All the email servers are ready-madely configured for you in Salesforce. Then, so in this case, in order to send the email notifications to the people, we are using the help of a feature called as email templates feature. Just it's a template which contains subject and the content. That's it. Now, in this case here we have two ways are available. Whenever we are preparing the email template, we can make static subject, static content, both fixed. Okay, we can have static subject, static content will be available. It's a fixed content over here. So now here in this case here, sometimes I want to make subject will be different and the content will be different. That means dynamically I would like to make a change. I want to pass some dynamic content here. I want to pass some dynamic subject to the people at runtime. So in this case, how can we make an email template which can prepare the subject and content dynamically at runtime? Okay, we'll see practically both the scenarios. How to prepare static subject and static content. How to prepare dynamic subject and the dynamic content here. Okay, we'll see practically. Now, in this case, as part of these email templates, whenever we are configuring the email templates, we have two types of email templates are available here. You know, same story. Okay, what are those? Standard, custom. Right. We have two types of email templates: standard email templates, custom email templates. Standard email templates means what? Ready-made, which has been given by Salesforce. By default, Salesforce has provided some set of ready-made email templates which we can use to send the email notification to the required people. Already they have prepared. Now you can raise a question, sir, why Salesforce people has prepared this email templates here? Because Salesforce is not only providing the platform, they have given a CRM application also. We have some ready-made applications inbuilt in my CRM. First one, sales also, service application, marketing, content, charter. So many applications are available. As part of this sales application, service application, in the marketing applications, Salesforce is sending some email notifications automatically. In order to send those email notifications, Salesforce has already prepared some ready-made email templates, which are called as a standard email templates. Suppose, as part of my application requirement, if these standard email templates are exactly suitable, we can use it directly, no issues. So whatever the standard email templates given by Salesforce, if those are exactly suits to your business, then you can use it as it is. Suppose if they requires a little bit some changes, then you can make the changes also. That means we can customize them as well. Suppose if those ready-made email templates are not at all suitable, then you can delete them. Standard email templates can be deletable over here. That facility is available. Till now, we have discussed so many standard and custom. Standard features we can't remove till now, but email templates we can remove that. That facility is available. So, whatever the standard email templates given by Salesforce, if those are not suitable, we can delete them from your organization. That facility is available. Now, if you want some more, according to your business requirement, according to your application requirement, if you want some more additional email templates, then we can create. That facility is available. So, whatever the email templates that you want, according to your business requirement, we can prepare the email template with our own subject, with our own content, whatever we want. It may be static, it may be dynamic also. Both are available. So now, here you can raise a question, sir, how many email templates that we can create? N number of, no limitations at all. We don't have any limitations. We can create n number of email templates also in Salesforce. That facility is available. So in this case, whatever the email templates that we have, including standard, including custom, whatever the email templates that we have, all the email templates information will store inside an object called as email template object. Email template is a standard object in Salesforce which contains all the email templates information, including standard, including custom. All the templates information will store inside email template object. It's a standard object maintaining by Salesforce. Okay, understood the concept here? Now, so now here in this case, how can we prepare our own email template? What kind of steps we used to follow, which you will see practically over here. Okay, understood the concept till now? Now, yeah, yes, that is also having dynamic content. Okay, not only static, that is also having dynamic content here. That means we need to include the record content inside the email template dynamically at runtime through with the help of a feature called as a merge fields. Today we'll see what is merge field, how to include here. Okay. Now, any more questions? Clear up to this one? Now, let's see. Make a note of this one. Email template is nothing but a draft, nothing but a draft or a template which contains which contains the email subject and content to be get delivered to the required people based on the need. Based on the need. As part of the organization policies, we have to interact with the people. Interact with the people based on the need. So that we can communicate with the people. We can communicate with the people. It may be customer, our partner, our employee, our end user, anybody, through an email alert. Email alert with the required subject and content. Now, Salesforce provides a built-in feature called as email templates to prepare the required email templates to be used based on the occasion. To be used based on the occasion. Now, email templates also called as communication templates. Communication templates. Now, by default, Salesforce provides two types of email templates. By default, Salesforce provides two types of email templates. First one, standard email templates. Second one, custom email templates. Now, standard email templates are means these are the ready-made email templates. Provided by Salesforce by default with the required subject and content which are referencing by which are being used inside the CRM application. Custom email templates. The Salesforce administrator or developer can create n number of email templates with the required subject and content. Now, all the email templates information will get resides inside the email template object. Email template is a standard object in Salesforce which contains all the email templates information.
Feroz, can you solder?
Done up to this part? Next one. So whenever we are creating an email template in Salesforce, upon creating your own custom email templates in Salesforce, there is a principle that each email template should get resides inside a folder. Whatever the email templates you are going to prepare, the email template, each email template should be get resides inside a folder. Why? Why they have given this kind of folder concept in Salesforce? Now, let me explain. For example, assume that as part of my organization, we have so many applications. Like we have sales application, service application, marketing application. We can have our own custom applications also, banking, finance, insurance, like that. So many applications we have. Now, in each application, I'm using some email templates to send the notifications to the people. As part of sales application, I have prepared some email templates to send the notifications to the people. As part of service application, I have prepared some email templates to send the notification to the people. As part of marketing also, I have prepared some templates. So in each application, I am using so many email templates. If I'm placing all these email templates within a single folder, then how can we recognize which email template is using in which application? How can we differentiate? It will be very difficult. So we can't recognize what email templates we are using in marketing application, what email templates we are using in finance application. We can't recognize them. For that one, Salesforce introduced a concept called as a folders concept. Folders concept here. Now, we can create our own folders. So whenever we are creating an email template, each email template should be get resides inside a folder. Now, as part of folders, we have two types of folders are available in Salesforce. Again, same story. Now, we have two types of email template folders. First one, standard folders. Second one, custom folders. Two types of folders are available. Standard folders means what? Which has been given by Salesforce by default. By default, as part of Salesforce CRM, Salesforce has given some set of ready-made folders which we can use to store the email templates. And that too, already Salesforce has given some ready-made email templates to me as part of this CRM application. To hold all these email templates, Salesforce has created few folders. Those are called as ready-made folders, or those are also called as standard email template folders. In Salesforce, we have two standard folders are available. First one, unfiled public classic email template folder. First one, unfiled public classic email template folder. Second one, my personal email templates folder. Because these are the two folders are available. First one, unfiled public classic email templates folder. Second one, my personal email templates folder. These are the two ready-made folders given by Salesforce. Then, what is this two folders? What is the use? The first one, unfiled public classic email template folder. That means it's a public folder which contains the email templates which can be accessible by all the users available inside my org. Inside my organization, whatever the users are available, those people may be my employees also, customers also, partners also, end users also, sales team, service team, finance team, everybody can access some common email templates. Those we are placing inside unfiled public classic email template folder. It's a standard folder, which is a public folder which contains a collection of email templates which can be accessible by all the users available inside the organization. Second one, my personal email templates folder. So, whatever the email templates we have placed in this folder, this can be accessible by only by the email template owner. Only the owner of the email template can access it, remaining people can't access. So, one is for public, second one is for restricted. That means for the owner of that email template here. So, these are the two folders are available which has been given by Salesforce by default. But in some cases, as part of our custom application development, I don't want to use these ready-made folders. I want to create my own custom folder. Depends upon our application requirement, we can create our own custom email template folders as well. Then how many we can create? We can create n number of folders also inside your Salesforce org. Inside your Salesforce organization, we can create n number of email template folders also. So now here in this case, whatever the folders that we have, including standard, including custom folders, all the folders information will store inside an object called as a folder object. Folder is a standard object in Salesforce which contains all the email template folders information inside. All the folders information will store inside email in folder object, which is a standard object in Salesforce. Okay. Understood the concept here? Now, so in this case, how to create these folders, which I will show you with practical. Now, make a note of this one. While creating an email template, each template should get resides inside a folder. Each template should get resides inside a folder. Salesforce provides two types of email template folders. Salesforce provides two types of email template folders. First one, standard email template folders. Second one, custom email template folders. Then what do you mean by standard? These are the ready-made email template folders, ready-made email template folders provided by Salesforce as part of Salesforce CRM. We have the below two folders. We have the below two standard folders. First one, unfiled public classic email template folder. It is a public folder which contains all the email templates inside it, which can be accessible by all the users inside the organization. Second one, my personal email templates folder. It is a restricted folder. It is a restricted folder. Now, it is a restricted folder which contains the email templates which can be accessible by only the template owner. Only the template owner. Other people can't access it here. The second one, custom email template folders. The Salesforce developer or administrator can create their own custom folders based on the application or module or the business needs. For example, banking templates folder, finance templates folder, and then loans templates folder. Like that, we can create your own folders also. Now, in this case, all the email template folders information will get stored inside the folder object. Basically, we are using the folders in three different places in Salesforce. First one, upon creating the email templates. Second one, while configuring the reports. Third one, while configuring the dashboards. So every report also should reside inside a folder. Every dashboard also should reside inside a folder. So all this folders information will store inside the folder object. Then how can we create these folders? Okay, we'll see. Go to Salesforce Classic mode. Click on Setup menu. Search for the option Communication Templates. So just you can directly we can go to that. Search for the option Classic Email Templates in quick find box. Now go to the email templates section. Click on new folder link. Enter the folder label and the name. Select the visibility options. Click on save button. In Lightning also we can do. But if the problem is, if you are creating an email template in Lightning, that can be used only in Lightning applications, not in Classic. If we create an email template in Classic, we can use it in Classic, Lightning, both the places. Not required. Directly it will access. We no need to upgrade. Only applications we can upgrade. Okay? No, no, only emails. Emails are different, SMS are different. Okay, emails can be done through with the help of email servers. For SMS, we have to integrate with the third-party systems for the telecommunication networks. Okay, SMS facility can be done only through integration. Okay, built-in SMS notification features are not there in Salesforce. Only email feature is available. Hmm. Charter is different. Charter is used to communicate with the internal users only. These emails notifications we can send to anybody. Okay. Done with this? Done with the navigation? Now, let's see. So let me go to my Salesforce org. I'm going to my Salesforce org now. Now, so switch back to the Salesforce Classic mode. I'm going to the profile icon. Switch to Salesforce Classic. In order to go to that communication template, just we can go to the setup menu. As soon as once you click on setup menu options are visible in the left panel. Then we can go to that administer menu. In that administer menu, you are having an option called as communication templates. Under the communication templates, we are having an option called as classic email templates option. Directly we can go with that. Or else we can search for that option email templates. Okay. We have this option classic email templates. Just we can go to this classic email templates. Now we can see. So these are the built-in email templates given by Salesforce. These are the email templates. We can see remaining. These are the email templates given by Salesforce. Like for example, whenever we are raising a case over here, by making a call to that customer care through a toll-free number, as soon as whenever a case record has been created, in that case, how the customer will be getting notified. For that one, they're preparing one email template here. They're giving the description, notification to customer about okay case created through phone call. So as soon as the case has been created, it will send the email notification over here with this subject in the content. When you click on this okay email template name, we can see what subject and what content they have prepared here. They're indicating this. This is the email subject over here. This is the email content which they have prepared, which they want to send to the people over here. Now, like the similar way here. Now, as soon as the case record has been assigned to a okay, sales or service representative, it will be indicating one more notification here with the different subject and content. Now, case assignment and notification. Notification to that representative when a case has been automatically assigned. As soon as the case has been assigned to the service person should get one email notification. Dear service person, a new case has been assigned to you. This is the case details. Now it will be having the subject and the content. This is the subject and the content is available here. Now, like that here they have given so many cases over here, so many email templates. These are the email templates are available. These email templates are available inside the folders. If you want to see what folders are available, here we can see. Inside this Pictus control, we can see what are all the folders given by Salesforce. We have two folders are available here. First one, unfiled public classic email templates folder. Second one, my personal email templates folder. These are the folders are available. In which folder, what email templates are available? If you want to see, just you can select the folder name. Whenever I'm selecting the folder name, in that folder, what email templates are available to populate. But in my personal email templates folder, nothing is available. That's what this table is simply empty. Suppose if I'm selecting this a folder name, unfiled public classic email templates, it will populate what email templates are available inside this folder we can see. Like the similar way, if these ready-made folders are not suitable, we can create your own custom folders by using create new folder link. Just we can go to this create new folder link, we can create your own folder also. Let me create the folder. Click on create new folder link. Specify the email folder name. I want to specify the folder with the name loans templates folder. So now upon a customer has applied for the loan, I want to send some notification. Once the loan has been approved, we are sending one notification. Once the loan has been rejected, we are sending one notification. Once the loan has been dispersed, then we are sending one notification. So in that case, what email templates you would like to store, that we can able to place inside this folder. That's what I'm creating this folder with the name loans templates folder. You can give any name whatever you want. I want to make this a folder access here. Public folder access. You want to grant the access to all the people? No, I don't want to grant the access to all the people. Now, in this case, if you want to place any of this existing email template, okay, inside this folder or not, these are the existing email templates. I don't want to place this templates inside my folder. Okay, I would like to keep it as it is in the existing folder itself. Now, I'm indicating this permission. This folder is accessible by all users. But whatever the email templates we have specified, just they can see, but they can't modify the email subject and content because I'm restricting the permission. Okay, read only. Simply, they can able to see my email, the subject and the content, but they can't modify. Now, click on Save button. Now your folder will be getting created. I'm creating one more folder. Create new folder again. I'm creating one more folder, like for example, okay, Tesla finance template folder. Now, I want to make it read only. I want to make the template to be folder to be visible to all the users. Click on save. Like that, we can able to create your own folders also. So all the folder names are populating over here. Whenever we are selecting this a folder, corresponding email templates are visible inside that tabular format. If I'm selecting loans templates folder, nothing is available here. This is how we can create our own email template folders in Salesforce. Clear up to this one? Now, so once the folders are ready, then we can go ahead to create email templates over here. Okay. Once the folders are ready, then we can go ahead to create email templates. Then how to prepare the email template with the required subject and the content, we'll see in next session here. Now, one more thing. Will you be available tomorrow? All the people? Hmm. Now, how many people are available? Could you please raise the hands?
What time, Feroz?
Same timings. Most of the people are available. Okay. Online people, will you be available tomorrow at same timings? 9:30 to 11:30, 2 hours of time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Firoz.
Okay. Now, so tomorrow we'll be having the session again at 9:30. Okay. Please be available 9:30 to 11:30, 2 hours of session. There I will show you how to create our own email templates with the required subject, with the required content. So now here as part of this email templates, we have four types are available. Upon creating the email templates, we have four types, but all the four types are not required here. Two types are enough that I will show you in tomorrow's session here. Okay, how to prepare plain text type of email template, how to prepare HTML email template, both we'll see in tomorrow's session with the dynamic subject, dynamic content both. Okay, clear? Now, thank you. Thank you all. Thanks for your time. Use the same meeting link tomorrow also.